Hello everyone, so in order to enable or disable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, you want to open up your settings. Now you gotta scroll down to your advanced features tab, choose it, and you gotta find your one-handed mode. So tap the switch to activate it. Now let's adjust it. So tap on the one-handed mode, and the usage of it depends whether you have gestures or buttons. So if you have buttons to activate your one-handed mode, you are to double tap the home button. Or if you have gesture, just like me, you are to swipe down in the center of the top edge of the bottom edge of the screen. So just like this. With this easy move, you're swiping it down. So in your one-handed mode, you can switch it between the edges of the screen, right, by simply pressing on this arrow. And if you want to close it, simply tap on the blank space and your one-handed mode will be closed. To disable it, once again go to your advanced features, find this option and toggle the switch off. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.